How to download free games on your laptop. Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily find free games that you can play on your PC. So the first thing that you have to make sure that is your Microsoft Store is downloaded to your device. So if it's not, you can just open your web browser and search for Microsoft Store, and once you search for it, it will open up this Microsoft Store's account. You will see if you don't have your store installed on your device, you can see the download option right here. But if you already have your store, you can just click on this to open your Microsoft Store. So just allow this access and it will automatically open up your Microsoft Store. And while this is loading, this is a good time that you can head over to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new videos. Alright, so now once this is loaded, here you can see different apps like top free apps. You don't want to click here. So if you scroll down a bit, you can see top free games. So just click on here and it will give you all of the list of the top games that are available on this Microsoft Store. So as you can see, Roblox is right here and Hill Climb Racing is on top as well. Beach Buggy Racing, Asphalt 8, Angry Birds, eFootball, Minecraft Launcher, all of these games are free, and from here you can just choose any game that you want. So as you can see, Hill Climb Racing is already installed on my PC. So let's say if you want to download this one, just click on it, and from here simply click on get and it will start downloading. And that's how you can get free games on your PC. As you can see, I've already downloaded Hill Climb Racing and it's already on my device. So yeah, that's how you can get free games on your PC. I will see you on the next video.